It's just a show here, and my sister's friend Michael taught me how to make a funny sound. So what you want to do is make a fist, and then where you're gonna put your mouth, just open up a little hole like that, and then pick up your pinky, and all you want to say is "girl" as fast and long as you can. Okay, don't make this noise. It sounds so weird and so funny. He does it really good, but it sounds much more different. This is just like my 10th time doing it. You guys should try it. It's really funny. Bye, guys.